In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation all on the white keys. The left hand is going to have triads, basic pentascale on the white keys, but the triad that creates from the beginner's hand position. The right hand is going to have block octaves. And let's say if I'm using these A's, I'm going to be in the A position in the block triad of the left hand. And the hands are going to move around in the same fashion. So I'm in the E position for both hands, the F position for both hands, D position, the positions right are named by the bottom tone. So they're both going to be block. What can I make of this? I can have this sort of pulsing. Here's my D up here. Go to C and to A. Let's go back to D. C to G. Let's go to F. To A. To G. To E. D. I'm going to bring the, well, not yet. Let's bring everybody up again. Yeah, because I kind of liked that sound. So now, this could be more steady without the pauses or the holds. Let's go to F, to D, G, A, I could go back and forth between the hands. And then create some pattern. Now this could be the steady. F, G, E, C, D, B, A, B, C, D, F, E to A. Now, both hands could have the exact same rhythms. It could be quite muscular and exciting. Etc. But you get the idea. Block triad in the left hand, block octaves in the right hand. One is pulsing, the other one is has less activity. They're both doing rhythms together. Switch their roles. Have fun with those simple materials.